Global exterior experts did the gutter and roofing for me. My overall experience with working with Global was outstanding. They came out first day, they set everything up, they let me know when they were going to start, when they would finish, and it took them approximately a day and a half to do the roof and then another 2 days to do the gutters. And they cleaned everything up. That was the other thing that was very impressive to me, was that they did a fine job of cleaning up afterwards. I would recommend them 100%. If it was 5 stars, I'd give them 5 stars. If it was 10 stars, I'd give them 10 stars. They were just, I have nothing negative to say about them. They just did everything what they said they were going to do. The thing that surprised me the most about Global was the fact that they always called us when they were getting the permit ready for us. It was constant contact. Thank you, Global. Thank you, Aaron. Very appreciate it. Your workers were outstanding.